Is it?
That's crazy.
Is it?
I mean, it doesn't feel like it.
Yeah,
It's
not
warm.
yet. You know, I have lows in the 40s.
Okay.
In the 14-day forecast.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
It might actually really need a jacket.
Yeah. Y'all look so great. You look,
We're trying to bring the fall.
I can tell, and it looks
We're
great.
trying to usher it in through fashion.
Yeah. So I'm going to talk about the weather. That's what I do for a living. And I've been requested
Exceptionally
from a
well.
friend of mine to mention Mansfield. So I'm
Okay.
going to mention Mansfield.
Let's do it.
Because I love you, Mansfield. Love you too, Vito. 84 degrees. That was the high today. The normal high is 76. It was warm today. Not a record by any means. In fact, the record was set back in 1925. The high was 91. Outside now, it's 83 degrees at DFW with south winds at 14. I'm watching radar. There's not a lot going on. The Metroplex is in the clear. I have a little shower. This has been an interesting little thing to watch. It goes up and down, up and down. Little thunder and lightning, nothing. Little thunder and lightning, shower. It just keeps pulsing up and down, but a little rain there near Perrin. You're probably hearing some thunder right there on 281 as well. So there's the rain. Most of North Texas is dry, a couple sprinkles in Kaufman County and Van Zant County. We'll be watching to the northwest tonight, northwest of the Metroplex, for the chance for an isolated shower or thunderstorm. Now, a flood watch will go into effect tomorrow evening at 7 p.m. and it'll last all the way through Saturday at 1. We're expecting widespread 1 to 3 inch rainfall totals starting especially Friday night. An isolated higher total can't be ruled out, but the area in green is where that 1 to 3 is expected. Lesser totals to the west of the Dallas-Fort Worth area. So tonight, northwest of the Metroplex, this is 7, we'll see a chance for an isolated shower or thunderstorm along the Red River in northwest of the Dallas-Fort Worth area. So as we go through tonight, most of us are just dry. Then as we get into Friday, scattered shower and thunderstorm activity starts to tick up in coverage. Throughout the day Friday, 40% coverage. This includes Mansfield. 40% coverage of rain. So not everybody's seeing rain all day long on Friday. You see how scattered it is. This is noon. Scattered showers, couple thunderstorms. I'm not expecting severe weather with that in the morning or early afternoon. Could be a couple of strong thunderstorms late Friday afternoon, especially west of the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Now we're looking at 3 p.m. This is where we would watch for maybe some gusty winds or some small hail Friday late afternoon and evening. See those thunderstorms there. By 7, coverage is up to 70%. You can see how the coverage just keeps going up, right? Widespread rain Friday night. There's 10 p.m. Some of that rain will be heavy, but the risk for severe weather is low. There could be up to 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts or some up to quarter-size hail, mainly west of the Dallas-Fort Worth area, a much lower chance in the Metroplex. This is mainly just very heavy rain falling. That's why we have the flood watch that goes into effect tomorrow night. 100% coverage across North Texas Saturday morning, and I mean midnight, 1, 2, 3 o'clock in the morning on Saturday. See how widespread and heavy that rain is for the overnight. That's where that 1 to 3 inches of rain will fall. Then by Saturday morning, it looks like at this point, based on the latest high resolution guidance, most of the rain will be in East Texas by early Saturday morning. I'm still keeping a 30% coverage for your early morning plans. By the afternoon, 20% isolated shower thunderstorm, and then we'll see another little tick up in the coverage Saturday evening to 30, then overnight down to 0. So we'll have another chance of rain on Saturday. So the rain Friday night through Saturday, 1 to 3 inches widespread, lower totals to the southwest of the Dallas-Fort Worth area. I can't rule out an isolated higher total. One other big weather story that's happening is in the Caribbean. If we go down here, we see Tropical Storm Melissa, winds of 45 miles per hour. This is expected to become a major hurricane. Could be approaching very close to Category 5 strength by the time we get into next week. It will be a Category 4. The confidence is high in that. Jamaica, Cuba, we'll still watch the Dominican Republic and Haiti, but this is where flooding rains and damaging winds and extreme storm surge are expected here in the Caribbean. So that again is Melissa, right now a tropical storm, but as it hangs out over the extremely warm waters of the Caribbean, there is that chance for a major hurricane. Tonight, though, 66 degrees here, cloudy and cool, an isolated shower storm. Tomorrow, it's 80. Widespread rain by late night. There are your WFAA weather alerts for Friday and Saturday. And then as we go into next week, we go back to dry weather across North Texas. And that's just in time for Halloween. As we get into October 31st, a high of 70, which means trick-or-treat time will be in the 60s. A little light wind. It's actually going to feel like Halloween. You know, sometimes in North Texas, it doesn't feel that way. It feels pretty gross around here sometimes on Halloween when you're all in your costume and all that. So I'm happy to see that. And then I think the desk is split 50% on the falling back an hour. Dia fan?
I will
Morgan?
take that extra hour of sleep. I have young children.
I have a wedding that night, so I'll take it as well.
Ah,
Yeah.
consensus.
There you go.
Yeah, so
Thanks,
100%.
Jesse.